Okay, in this video I'd like to show you how you can get results pretty fast using some powerful workflows and techniques. And for that I would like to make a propeller. I create a center circle, move it up, shift deduplicate it, bring it to the center, but that's not necessary. And make this one smaller quite a bit. Scale this one along the Z-axis. And now I would like to create a line which is tangent to both shapes, to the circle as well as to the ellipse. Press Shift A for running the line tool. What's important is to have tangency for both shapes, so tan tan. I mirror it to the other side using Alt X and I trim the unnecessary stuff which is inside. Join them. Then I press Shift J for patching it. I think that's the default shortcut. Okay, we can hide the curves. And now I run the raise degree command. That's a type of subdivision for CAD surfaces. So if you look in the command menu for raise degree, the shortcut is Shift S. And now we can use the points created by the raise degree command for rotating the upper part, R, Z. And now we are done with the raise degree command, so therefore we can toggle the points off. Toggle points. And in solid mode, run the thicken command. And now in face mode, select both faces. Press Ctrl 2 for converting the selection into edge select. And BD for filleting the edges. Yeah, point 2 looks cool. When using the raise degree command, chances are that the gizmo changes its position. Press G, the gizmo isn't at the center, so let's press V for changing the pivot, bring it to the origin, and now we can drag it up. Run the radial array command, snap it again to the origin, 3 copies in total. And now I create a cylinder. Okay, and I want to have a round tip. Therefore, in edge mode, select this edge, BD. And to have a perfectly round edge, click on this surface and you get a round surface, a perfectly round surface. Finally, let's take all these guys, press Q twice for running a union boolean, and fillet these intersections. Big fat juicy fillet, and now we are all happy and ready to fly. I have started a new project called Escape Wage Slavery. If you want to be a part of that project, you can go to the Gumroad link in the description to meet Botley, a robot which you can build in a 5-hour plasticity course packed with dozens of tips and tricks discussed here on my channel. Thanks and peace!